Aloha! Welcome to the American Dream Hawaii. We are your co-hosts, Traci Isara
and Tamlyn Toyama-Kam. Today we're diving into the heart of Honolulu and exploring one of the hidden gems, Pacifica, Honolulu.
Then we'll be heading over to the Okinawan Festival, one of Hawaii's largest cultural events. Let's go!
Pacifica Honolulu was built in 2009, and this 46-story high-rise condominium has a pretty interesting story to tell. Because of an economic crisis at the time, construction completely halted in the middle.
That's right. It was a very scary time for buyers, unsure of how the building will be constructed.
But then Oliver McMillan stepped in and breathed new life into the project, turning it into the dazzling residence we see today.
I love that downstairs of the building you have Blue Tree Café where you can grab your morning coffee. And the end units are highly coveted because of their unique floor plan. Welcome to Unit 4203.
Come on in.
You have 2 bedrooms at the opposite ends of the living space with an open concept kitchen and a flex space which you can use for a home office or another living space.
I mean, who wouldn't want to come home to these amazing views of the ocean and urban Honolulu? We are so happy we got to showcase that beautiful unit and just share those stunning panoramic views with you. But do you know what time it is, Trey?
What time is it?
Time for the Okinawan Festival!
And actually, it's just a few blocks down the road. Why don't we just take some bikis? We are here with former president of the Hawaii United Okinawan Association, Courtney Takara. Thank you for your time today.
Yes. Aloha.
Happy 41 years.
Thank you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for visiting the Okinawan Festival.
Yeah.
We're here at the Hawaii Convention Center, right outside of Waikiki and right next door to Ala Moana Shopping Center. The purpose of the festival is really to promote Uchinanchu or Okinawan culture here in Hawaii. So we want to share it, we want to teach people about it, but also give them an opportunity to have some family fun over the weekend. Lots of good food. I know both of you have been here before and you know all the good stuff, but really it's also about bringing our community together, visitors and locals alike. We had a very humble beginning at McCoy Pavilion at Ala Moana Park back in the 1982. And since then, it's grown in the thousands. So currently, we estimate over 40,000 people attending over the course of this weekend. But what is more amazing is we estimate 3,000 plus volunteers over the course of the weekend. So what makes our festival unique is that it's completely run by our volunteers.
What is your favorite thing to eat here?
If you come to the festival, make sure you come get hot, fresh andagi.
And andagi is an Okinawan donut?
Yes, correct.
We've got our anda dogs here, which is a hot dog with andagi around it. So that Okinawan donut that we were talking about.
And next we're gonna go and join the bone dance. So we're gonna have to say goodnight, everybody.
Yes, thank you so much for joining us for another episode of the American Dream Hawaii edition. We look forward to seeing you next time. Ipe Nipe Debiru!